Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states, on the morning of the 4th of Zulhajj, the Prophet ﷺ came to us and commanded us to take off the ihram. Atta says that he ﷺ said, take off your ihram and visit your wives. Atta says this was not a command stipulated on them, but their wives were declared permissible for them. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, only 5 days are short of the day of Arafah, and we have been permitted to have sex with our wives, and we will reach Arafah while we will be exuding the sign of sex. Literal translation: semen will be dripping from our penises. Atta says that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu, while saying it, would move his hand. Hearing it, Allah's Apostle ﷺ stood amongst us and said, you know well that I am more God-fearing, truer, and more upright than all of you. If I had not dispatched the sacrificial animal, I would have taken off the ihram like you. And if I had already paid attention to what I paid attention later, I would not have dispatched the sacrificial animal. So take off your ihram. We thereupon took off the ihram, listened to his command and followed it. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, after collecting alms, when Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu came, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked, what intention did you make while wearing ihram? Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu submitted, I made intention in this way. I intend what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam intends. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam whereupon said, dispatch your sacrificial animal and keep wearing your ihram. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu had brought him a sacrificial animal as well. Hazrat Suraqa bin Malik bin Josham got up and asked, if this command is exclusively for this year or forever? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, it is forever. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2935.